Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be some brow routine and some lash. But before I begin, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon on the side to be notified every time I upload a video. Today's product is going to be the Magnificent Brow Show by Benefit Cosmetics. That is the product I'm going to be using for today's specific video. This product was released prior to Christmas, and Benefit Cosmetics has been very kind enough to send me this package, and I'm so privileged to have received it, honestly. But genuinely, before they even began sending me any of their products, I was already hooked to their brow products. These are some of my favorite brow products, but the first thing today I'm going to be using is the 24-hour brow setter. So this is like a gel, and I will show you when I open it. It actually is transparent. So it's completely transparent and very sticky, as you can see. So when you apply onto your brows, it sets your brow in place. So meaning, you are gonna be wet under the water or running through the rain or whatever or you can even be sweaty, whatever it is, it won't take away the shape of your brows at all because it will stay intact. So that's one thing I like about the 24-hour brow setter. It's clear shaping, and it's clear in the shade, and it is like a setting gel almost. Now the next product that I like to use is the Precisely My Brow Pencil, also by Benefit Cosmetics, and it is in the shade 04, which is my shade. And what I like about it is that it creates a very natural hair-like stroke. So I always like to start from the inner corner, kind of give it more of a vertical lines to create that hair-like stroke, and then I eventually start working on the rest of the brows. So I always like to start from the inner corner and then like to work sort of the inner bottom, and then like to work on the arch, kind of like, the outer arch. So as I'm drawing it out, you will see, and then I like to kind of connect the arch together from two sides, like so. And whenever you're doing it, make sure you create small strokes so it looks like a hair. So I'm going to now use the spoolie on the other side of the brush. Now when you do that, you can always see how else you want to correct your brow. So I can see there's a little bit of dent on the top eyebrow. I'm going to go in again and kind of fill that corner. See what I mean? There was like a little dent. Now it's all filled in and it looks a straight line. I'm going to go again with my spoolie and brush it out. This is my favorite pencil actually when I go on travel, also from day-to-day work, because it kind of has two-in-one. So like I just quickly go put my brows on and then shape my brows with the spoolie, and it's good to go. The brow setter is an extra step that I often like to take, especially if it's summertime, because I tend to sweat. Like sometimes when you're running around you do feel sweaty, so summertime it helps me keep my brows in place. And the same thing I'm going to be doing for my other eyebrows as well. And always make sure you start with the inner side of your brows, make sure it looks like hair-like structure, vertical small lines, and then work your way out and create the arch as you please. I like to create a sharper edge and arch, but you can always make it rounder if you like that way. I like to follow the natural shape of my eyebrows, and that is basically the way my eyebrows are. So I just go in and fill it up and make it look more fuller. Then that looks very nice and natural. So for our lashes today, I'm going to be using the Lash Chateau, and the first thing that I always like to do is, use a clear gel or like a white gel that later turns into like the color of your lash line, because it's kind of like a translucent, kind of like a bluish white, so it actually turns like the color of your strip as soon as it starts drying. I always like to put the inner corners first and then place the outer corner, and then go again and just tap the entire lash to make sure it all sits in place. See, just slightly push it in to make sure it sits in. That's it. There's no cutting, pasting, nothing. It's just as raw as possible. So that's how I'm showing it to you. Always go in with the inner corner. Place the inner corner first, right? And then the outer corners. And then go again and use... I like to always use my fingertips. Some people like it with a Q-tip. Sorry, with a tweezer. I like it with my fingertips. I feel I have more grip about it. I have more grip on my lashes just because I'm using my fingers. I like it that way. So here it is. That's it. That's how easy it is. The first thing you always do is pop the inner corners, then place the outer corners, and then go again on the inner corners and all the way to the outer corners, and making sure they're all set in place. Now, I obviously forgot to put some highlighter, as you can see. So I'm using my Smashbox highlighter here. I kind of mix the two colors. You probably have seen me wearing these highlighters on my other videos, but I still kind of like it, honestly, and it's so good. See how nicely that works? I love this highlighter. It has been my current go-to highlighter. Yeah, and on the bridge of my nose, on the tip of my nose, on the forehead where the light is hitting, a little bit on the cupid's bow. Now it's gonna be quite difficult to put it on the cupid's bow because I already have my lipstick on. It's okay, I'm trying not to ruin my lipstick. And then on the tip of my chin, just to make sure everything looks more elongated and long. And that's it. Let me know if you guys would like to see this makeup look, because honestly, this makeup look, I did it so fast. I literally did it in like 10 minutes, but it turned out so good. I loved it, honestly. Let me know what you guys, if you guys would want to see the makeup tutorial on this look. I will definitely post it for you. And that's it, guys. That is for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to like, comment, share my channel. Thank you so much for watching.